This practice helps you ignite your inner energy and replaces hesitation with a sense of playful possibility for whatever comes next. Grab a piece of charcoal and start with bold, energetic movements. Draw expressive circles or messy lines anywhere on the page. Feel the texture of the charcoal. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on the raw energy of your hand moving freely. Switch to your oil pastels. Choose any colors that make you feel happy or powerful in this moment. Create organic shapes, symbols, or simple splashes of color. Let these represent the things you are grateful for. There are no wrong colors, only your unique expression. With quick swirling motion, use your pastels to connect the charcoal lines with your chosen colors. Let the black charcoal smudge and mix with the bright pastels to create new shades. Add scribbles and move fast and happy, filling the white space with your own unique energy. Affirmation: I am radiant. I am filled with joy. I embrace this moment with a light heart and an open mind.